Hello, 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 and thank you so much for stopping by. I'm Soraya Marshall Wright. Welcome to The World According to Soraya. For those of you who do not know, I'm an estate planning attorney serving North and South Carolina, and I help families plan for the unexpected and protect the people, things, and choices that matter to them. All right, one question that I'm often asked is, how exactly do you know if it's appropriate for someone to get a will-based plan or a trust-based plan? A lot of times people come into my office and they say, well, I want a trust. Or they say, well, I need a will. But the reality is, what's technically appropriate for them depends on the level of control that they want to exercise over their estate. What do I mean by that? If I have someone who tells me that they really don't care what happens to their assets after their death, they'll be gone anyway, their children or whoever they leave it to could do whatever they choose with it, then that person may be perfectly fine with a will-based plan. If I have someone, however, who tells me that I want to make sure that I control everything very tightly, I only want my children to inherit from my estate if they attend college, or if, they are doing everything right and they're a productive member of society, or if they are 25 years old and at that point I know they'll be mature. To the extent that you want to exercise control over your estate, then a trust-based plan is the most appropriate, because you cannot accomplish all of those things using a will. All right. So if you didn't know that, to the extent that you want to exercise control over your estate, you may or may not be able to use a will-based plan and may have to use a trust. Now you know. And I'll see you next time.